Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to log in into the TD Bank mobile app and want to make sure you're doing it correctly, here's the fastest and the safest way. First, open the TD Bank app on your phone. Once you're done opening it, enter your TD online banking username and then fill your password, then click login. After that, you're going to complete the security verification using a code sent to your phone or email if prompted. Head over to your Gmail app, look for the code there. If you don't find it there, click on the three-line option in the top left corner. Look for it in the spam folder, or if it's not there, look for it in the trash folder. If you have sent them your phone number, open SMS and check for the message over there. Now, once verified, you're going to tap the login button to access your account. If login fails, double check your credentials and make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if possible. If not, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. After logging in successfully, you'll have full access to your TD Bank accounts from your phone, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick